I'm looking at the silver short positions in the market in the commodities exchange, and today it is about 23,110 contracts. Now, in case you didn't know, each contract in COMEX is for 5,000 ounces of silver. So collectively, the market has borrowed 115 million ounces of silver, which is more than the amount in the commodities exchange. I believe it's 80 million or so ounces that are held physically in the commodities exchange. So this is just like GameStop, but even better because of how small the silver market is compared to the demand for physical silver. Right? When was the last time you actually needed GameStop stock in order to buy a car because it's used in the electronics, or to make your computer run, or to for medicine? Right? When was the last time GameStop stock was needed in any of those applications? Okay, so 115 million ounces, that's only half an ounce per American. Or if it's around the world, that's a fraction of an ounce around the world. So if everybody just bought half an ounce of silver, we could potentially crash some of these short sellers. A lot better than we could crash the Wall Street bets on the GameStop. Now, what kind of silver do I recommend? Well, if you look at historically the value of different kinds of silver, they do not move in tandem. So two kinds of silver are very popular for silver investors. There's 90% silver coins, and then there's the 1,000-ounce silver bars, right? Which is about the size of a shoebox. 1,000-ounce silver bars usually go pretty close to spot, but 90% silver coins often trade at a premium, sometimes a slight negative premium. So in 2009, during the financial crisis, the premium peaked at about 40%. In 13 to 16, when physical was going down, the 1,000-ounce silver bars were going down. The 90% was trading at quite a premium. I bought one of those 1,000-ounce silver bars during this point. During just before COVID, the 90% silver coins were trading at a very low premium. Obviously, the 1,000-ounce bars were considerably, the spot price and the physical price were considerably higher here. And during COVID-19, it has swung all over the place. I recommend buying 90% silver coins if the premium is less than 10%, because these usually go for quite a bit of a premium if you're wrong about silver. Especially the Walking Liberty half dollars. I like those ones because, well, I started collecting coins in the early 2000s when silver was $5-6 an ounce, and if I remember correctly, Walking Liberties were going for a good premium over silver at the time. Right now, not so much, and so I think those are a little bit of a hedge against silver going down, if you will. If the premium is not high, sometimes even the peace silver dollars make sense. Peace silver. Not peace sign. Peace silver dollar. If you can get these at less than a 20 or 30% premium, I'd recommend that as well. Let's take a look at the premium history again. My ultimate idea, I've never been able to execute it, but my ultimate idea is to be able to trade back and forth between the two, right? Imagine you're sitting in 2009 when the premium is high and you buy a 1,000-ounce silver bar, which you can probably do at very close to the spot price, and you take delivery of it, of course. And then in 2011, you trade that 1,000-ounce silver bar for 90% silver coins, and you can get practically all of that 1,000 ounces, right, because the premium is zero. And then you hold on to that until 2016 when the premium is 25%. You trade that for 1,250 ounces of silver bars, and then you hold on to that until 2019 or 2020, and you trade that for 1,250 ounces of junk silver, and back and forth, back and forth, back and forth over the decades. I've never been able to execute that because obviously if you just take the bar to the dealer, you're not going to get such a deal, probably not even close. And then there's the issue of taxes, right? You'd have to do this inside of some kind of a IRA or some kind of account that allows you to hold all silver coins and bars, right? And I'll have to look into that. All right, go ahead and crash Wall Street. Buy a few ounces of silver this week. Thanks for watching.